Hi there, students. Arrant. Arrant. Arrant is an adjective. It means completely, extreme, notorious and without moderation. So this is arrant nonsense that you're speaking. Or to quote Shakespeare from Hamlet, we are all arrant knaves, or we are arrant knaves all, believe us none. So a knave is somebody who is untrustworthy. Yeah? We are all totally untrustworthy. You could also use it as an adverb. He arrantly disregarded the rules of the game. Okay, be careful with this word because I think it sounds a bit old-fashioned or very old-fashioned, rather literary as well. I would be careful where it's used. Having looked for examples, the most common example I can find is arrant nonsense, utter nonsense, complete and total nonsense. Yeah, stop talking such arrant rubbish and tell me something that's true and relevant. Okay, so arrant, completely, utterly, totally. To say how bad something is. He dismissed the rumours as arrant nonsense, pure nonsense, utter nonsense, unadulterated nonsense. Okay? But arrant, utterly, completely, utter, completely, totally. Yeah? Also, be careful with the use of arrant because it's an extreme adjective or an extreme adverb. And so you can't say it is arrantly far. You can't say it's absolutely far, it's completely far. It needs to be with extremes. This is arrantly untrue. It's an arrant lie. Okay? Absolute, out and out, complete, downright, total. Yeah? Okay, so an arrant fool. He's a complete fool. Okay, don't confuse this word arrant with errant, with an E. Errant means deviating from its proper course, moving aimlessly, an errant breeze. Notice the word arrant actually comes from errant, but the meaning has changed. Okay, so arrant is not errant. He's an arrant ladies' man, flagrant, confirmed, dyed in the wool, downright. The arrant luxury of the hotel is what the reason why it's so expensive. Yeah, that's the most arrantly untrue thing I've ever said. So arrant nonsense, pure nonsense. Utter and complete. Okay, so as I said, formality. I think I would give this a 7 in formality. It sounds very literary and old-fashioned. If you use it in an informal conversation, it's going to sound out of place unless it's a really posh academic or literary conversation. I would use it, I think, for an essay, a formal essay or a semi-formal essay would sound quite good, sound quite a good place to use it. So it comes from, as I said, the word errant, which originally meant wandering, going here and there, but now errant, going in the wrong way, not following the true or proper course. Okay, so arrant, extreme and utter, but notice arrant is negative as well. Yeah, this is arrantly untrue. Is it always negative? No, I used the example, the arrant luxury of the hotel. It's nearly always negative though. I think probably it's mostly used in cliches as well. So, have I been talking arrant nonsense, or did you understand what I've been getting at? enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Arrant and Arrantly.